In this automation, we want to extract all emails since the 25th of August 2019 date, and that their subject contains hashtag robot test, and insert info about them. Sender's email address, mail subject, and the mail message into a CSV file. And we want to send an email with the attachment. Okay, it has sent an email, and now we can find the file, and it is mail CSV. Okay, so here are all the information. From who, what is the subject of that, and what is the body of that. The first step is to log into your mail account. And make sure to enable add-on net from the view add-ons net. It is a good practice to store usernames and passwords in credential container, and in order to add a credential, choose Tools, Credential Container, click Add, and in the key field insert the name of your value, for example mail, address, and remember to have a key containing the : sign. And in the value and retype value fields, insert, for example, your email address. Do the same with a mail password in the host name if you like, for example, emap.gmail.com. And as you can see, I have some credentials already created, so I won't create them now. And see below how to access those values using the credential special variables. So emap open, host, credential, mail, host, login, credential, mail address, password, credential, mail password, ignore certificate errors true, and that's it. Now we want to get mails since the correct date, so we can use emap get mails command, result emails, and with the since date 25th of August 2019. Now we want to close the emap connection, and we want to create an empty CSV file. So specify the path, again using the environment special variable user profile desktop automation examples, and for example mails CSV. Don't forget to add a C# snippet that will create the directory for you. System IO directory, create directory, and here we want to get the directory name, system IO path get directory name from the path. Yeah, and that's it. And now here we want to create this file. So text, write, file name, path, text, and the empty string. Okay, we want to iterate through all mails and display only those that match the criteria for the debugging purposes. So for each mail in mails, if mail's subject contains #robot test, then we want to use dialog mail to display that mail. And if okay, so let's press F9 and see what happens. Okay, now it's getting the emails. It's already connected. Yeah, so there are some subjects. Yep. And now we want to insert sender's address, mail subject, and mail body for all matching emails into the CSV file. So just change the code from the previous step a little. And the mail variable is of mail structure, and there are several indexes that you can access. So instead of dialog mail here, we want to use text write command, file name path, text, a mail from, then we want to mail subject, then mail content, and new line at the end so that the next record is in the new line. And of course we have to add a write mode append. It is extremely important to specify append here. Okay, so lastly we want to send this file to ourselves or to anyone. So we want to create a list that will contain the attachments. And mail SMTP. So here everything will be the same. Host, login, password, and of course we have to add from. So it's going to be from the host, from the mail address. To, for example, robot user G1ANT.com with the subject CSV attachment and body. Hi, Here's your mails info and attachments. Right. Okay, so let's press F9 or click this play button to launch the script and see what happens. Okay, it has sent an email, and now we can find the file, and it is mails CSV. Okay, so here all the information. From who, what is the subject of that, and what is the body of that. Let's close it. And close that. And that's it.